Welcome to the Weather Centre on Tuesday, where light onshore winds bring in the possibility of fog along the west coast, and there's a warning for a high fire danger rating over parts of the Northern Cape. Overall, we're expecting fine and mild weather over South Africa's interior, but with a warm day for the Lowveld and along the KwaZulu-Natal coast, cool conditions are forecast for the Eastern Cape. Partly cloudy and dry with a warm day over the extreme southwestern part of South Africa, and then on Tuesday afternoon and evening we'll start to see a band of thundershowers moving in over the extreme northwestern parts. On our rainfall probability map, you'll see that band of thundershowers extending from southeastern Namibia through to the western part of South Africa, whilst things remain dry for the rest of South Africa. Maximum temperatures will peak in the low 20s for Gauteng, a warm day for Bombela and Uppington, both at 25 degrees, 24 along the KwaZulu-Natal coast, and a maximum of 22 degrees for Pietermaritzburg. We're forecasting a high of around 20 degrees in the Eastern Cape, 18 for Sutherland. Warm as we head into Cape Town, with berg winds warming things up to 26 in the afternoon. Vredendal tops 28, with a mild day for Kimberley at 23 degrees. Moderate beach conditions are expected along the west coast, and that's mainly for Alexander Bay, Namaqualand and Lambert's Bay, all with the possibility of thundershowers in the afternoon. Northwesterly winds are forecast here with a light southeast for Langebaan, and along the west coast we'll see a 1 to 1.5 metre swell from the southwest at 12 seconds. Good beach conditions are expected from the Cape Town Atlantic side through to Hermanus with a southeasterly wind. Light winds are forecast for Cape Town with moderate wind speeds for Hermanus, and then a fresh easterly wind for Cape Agulhas. In the southwest, we're expecting a 2 metre southwesterly swell at 12 seconds. Easterly winds are forecast between Mossel Bay and Jeffreys Bay, with wind speeds of between 15 and 25 kilometres per hour. In Port Elizabeth, we can expect an east-northeasterly wind of 25 kilometres per hour with a 1.5 metre swell and a wave period of 13 seconds along the south coast. Good beach conditions are expected all along the east coast with an east-northeasterly wind for East London. Light winds are expected from the Wild Coast all the way through to Richards Bay, with onshore winds and a southerly flow for Richards Bay. Along the east coast, we'll see a 1.5 metre swell and a wave period of 13 seconds. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a wonderful Tuesday.